let's look at some idioms using birds. So to say a home bird is somebody who likes to spend their free and their social time at home. A bird's eye view. A bird's eye view is a view from above and is a broad perspective of things. To kill two birds with one stone. This is to do an act where you get two desirable outcomes. So you'll do something, one thing, but then two things are accomplished from it. A little bird told me. This is when you get information, but you get it from somebody who you don't want to say who it is. So you'd say a little bird told me that. And finally, eagle-eyed. Eagle-eyed is to have very sharp vision, so you can see things very clearly.